Just forward testing paper is short.
But
Low key. Kind of weird to tell where we can go.
I'm gonna have to look pretty deeper.
And we're in this 4 hour and daily gap, like at the bottom, but the top looks super bearish. But we're bouncing pretty hard out of CE of that 4 hour.
Yeah.
We just missed equilibrium of the range at 655 to back 11 points.
655. Okay.
And then this 15-minute, like, that pre-market low looks pretty, like, doji candle-like. A's just all the way up here, 24 to 45.
Yeah, we got rid of all of yesterday's price action overnight.
Yeah, literally.
You know.
We also have like equal highs at London, pretty far up though, but
Okay. Yeah. Let me see
be a
those.
4 hour gap fill too. And then pre-market we have this like hourly gap that we're kind of coming up towards. But
Okay. Yeah, I see that. It's right there, actually.
yeah, but this looks a bit V-shaped coming into the open, low key, out of that 4 hour.
Definitely. Targeting this 1 hour gap fill.
Yeah. And then I mean, if we flip like this 15-minute, like if we flip this bigger 15-minute gap, could open up for higher towards London.
Definitely.
We tapped a smaller 15 just below that bigger one, pre-market here.
Okay.
Let me also check YM. Let me get rid of this shit so I can actually see. All right. Yeah, I mean, YM's pretty correlated. YM actually did hit like equilibrium of the range. It filled in the entire 4 hour, like to the bottom of it.
Okay. It also, we do have an SMT at this high with YM. I mean, I don't know if that really means anything, but
Yeah, we also have one with NQ too, all the way at the top.
okay.
But depends. I mean, if that SMT was just to retrace price into this 4 hour, then it might not matter. Like the nearest sell side or like actual sell side below the 4 hours all the way at 435. So I mean, if we're gonna trend that far down, we'll have time to know.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay.
That also makes me think we're not gonna go much further down because that's a pretty far move. I feel like, especially with overnight already making a huge move down.
No, you're totally right.
Yeah, because overnight's down 580 points
Yeah.
only.
Yeah. That's what I mean. We literally sold off all of yesterday's price action overnight. Like that's so dumb.
Yeah.
I mean, did you see that we edged that daily gap, bro? The daily inverse.
Let me see. Yeah, we did. Like I was like thinking about the fact that we didn't close that. We might actually like get back into sell side.
Yeah, I mean,
Depends
realistically,
what this gap here does.
yeah, realistically, that could totally be like a fake bounce,
Definitely could be, or it gets people to short, and then we bounce from here and end up closing that by the
True.
end of the week.
We
I mean, this daily gap is what kind of matters. This bullish gap here.
yeah,
If we end up flushing it, then I think like we'll be back in sell side of the curve and just keep rounding off here.
yeah, yeah.
Because I mean, that's
Remember,
technically a lower high.
remember what we said. Remember the daily, not filling the daily, coming back to like equilibrium and then closing it.
Yeah.
It's possible.
Yeah, we could either get a retrace on the daily or the
Just
daily
flush.
continues to sell further.
Exactly. Yeah.
I mean, we still are in a discount of that like monthly range. So discounts all at 22, 123, which with the way the market's been moving doesn't seem too like out of pocket. But yeah, pre-market here, kind of hard to tell. We could retrace, or like we could retrace into that 4 hour and those equal highs in London, or we could just continue weak. As we continue weak, it just sucks because I'm definitely not gonna like short when we're like 200 plus points from the draw.
No, it's valid. Yeah. No, you're right.
I really don't see anything above those draws that's like worth targeting. Like we're just in that huge 4 hour gap overall. But this would be like a valid retrace of that entire leg up because I mean that was a very strong leg up where we just didn't have a single red candle at all. Almost.
Which one?
2,
From
3,
yesterday?
4, 5, 6. Yeah, on the 4 hour. Like we literally had like 16 hours of just green candles on the 4 hour.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
So this one has to be a retrace to be valid. I think he's weaker than ES in the pre-market. We have this like bullish 15-minute as well. We're coming towards. We're in between two gaps.
Might flush here, honestly.
Yeah, those are pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie.
Just have this 5 minute SMT at this 5 minutes. We'll see what happens here. This is also equilibrium of this range. Bottom to top.
Yeah, it's at that 15-minute gap now.
Yeah. So let's definitely see what happens. Oh yeah, it's also a 15-minute. Wow. Okay.
Yeah. I'd say if like we start holding this 15 into the open and start to trend higher, then
I would like that. Yeah.
I'll start assuming the one up top will get inversed. Yes, it's starting to correlate though, so that might not be the case. Let's see though. It's just this huge 4 hour really. I mean, we tapped CE perfect on NQ. ES dug a little deeper.
Yeah. Honestly, I'm a little weary today. I don't know. I want to see higher, but
Yeah, like it definitely is hard. We also just we edged equilibrium of this like 4 hour range on both ES and NQ, but YM definitely tapped it.
Just draw it out myself. Yeah, we did edge it. I mean, yeah. Honestly, I don't know.
Here, let's check oil. Oh, oil's at 113 a barrel.
Oh wow.
Hmm. That's interesting. Well, I mean, if oil's ripping, then I mean, in theory, NQ would be bearish, which I mean, that's in hindsight. Obviously, we've just been dumping. That's interesting. The VIX has spiked 13% overnight as well.
What is this? What are we in April still? Oh yeah, we are. We just started April.
Yeah.
Yo, Brozy just texted me a great fucking idea.
Hmm.
Go on the monthly candle. What if the first 2 days of April were just making the top wick of the monthly candle, and we're actually expanding lower now?
I mean, it's honestly possible. There's that, or we could just fill this like bottom wick of the previous month for
True,
higher.
true. I'm just formulating because we didn't close that daily. Like
But
how
yeah, I mean, that does look pretty crazy there. I'm not gonna lie.
yeah.
But I don't think we'd put the high of the month in like the first couple of days of the month.
No,
I don't. I feel like we wouldn't, because I feel like there's
unless
just so much news to come out and like just a lot of shit like for the rest of the month that could manipulate us much higher. Or I mean, obviously, but like I feel like CPI, they're obviously gonna announce more on the war like in the next 20 something days or whatever.
mm-hmm.
So I mean that previous month like wick out of that monthly is pretty like it's pretty like crazy to be honest. Like that
No, I
candle didn't really
definitely agree.
close too bearish necessarily. That wick alone is like 4% of price action, which is that's wild. Yeah, I guess like I mean ultimately I think this daily gap that we're in, this bullish gap, like kind of depends. We're in like this gap and like kind of BPR overall. If we end up flipping it, then I mean that would validate the higher gap, which is already validating technically, and then we could assume lower. I mean there's that lower monthly gap still, so and that would align with equilibrium of that entire range.
But yeah.
So it's definitely possible.
Do you know by any chance off the top of your head the max contracts for 50k advanced alpha account?
50K advanced alpha. I do not, but I'll try and look it up. Advanced
It might be 5.
50K. It is, or no, I'm sorry. It's yeah, 5.
5. Okay.
Yeah.
Looks like I'm doing 150 micros today.
You going for full size or going just for passing?
For the half pass because
Oh yeah, they don't have 1 day pass.
yeah.
Solid. Doesn't the card what 4K to pass?
Yeah, 4k, so 2k each day.
Let's see. Oh, the drawdown's what 1750.
Yeah, 1750.
True.
So I got one shot at this.
Got to grab a good setup.
Mm-hmm.
I was messing around with that volume profile indicator, like actually like
How is it?
digging into it overnight.
You like it?
Pretty solid, honestly. I mean, it gives you like a lot more precise entry. And I mean, if you like get stopped out and like you have the move right, you can always get a good re-entry. Pretty good though. I haven't really seen a flaw. Not a flaw necessarily, but I mean, if you use good discretion with it and align it to like confluences, it's actually pretty good.
Might need you to teach me that one day.
That's what all these like random like black boxes are on my screen are like volume nodes in
Okay.
price.
But today is the end of the week.
Technically, yeah, because tomorrow's Good Friday. So I think market is either fully closed or the futures market might have a super short day. But if I remember correctly, um, I'm pretty sure Alpha said they'd be closing at 9 a.m. Central
Okay.
or something like that. So I think that'll be like a thing across all firms.
Okay.
I personally probably just won't trade tomorrow at all. It'll probably be like lower volume. Or it'll be like the most clean price action of all time.
It's gonna be the most clean price action of all time.
Honestly, I mean, I wouldn't doubt it. I still remember like July 4th of last year, it had like the most insane setup, like maybe for the year.
I just realized I wasn't sharing my screen.
Yeah, we do look pretty wicky from this like internal high at the top. And coming out of that smaller 15 so far. Right now we're in between gaps. So I'd want to see which gap is going to get validated because I mean, both of them are kind of like forming a range now.
Hmm. We also have SMT at the lows, tapped equilibrium here out of this
Hmm
15-minute.
I didn't peep as well. Like ES has like a London high, obviously, but there's an like the London high on ES made an SMT with NQ's London high.
It did, yes. Definitely did.
So I just seen that, but could be interesting. But again, it's like that could be the SMT that's sent price lower on this retrace, or if this is the retrace.
Hmm.
Because I mean, almost 600 points down is crazy. Like I feel like how much further can price short in a single leg session? Obviously, that sounds like super simple, but I mean, like overextension is true in price.
Hmm. I don't know, honestly.
Got 9 minutes for open. I
Realistically,
mean, this 15-minute range definitely is like saying like, okay, we're bearish. Like this looks like a retrace to go lower, right?
definitely. And I want to see us, in theory, come and tap equilibrium. But what's throwing me off is that, YM did tap it. So it's like, is
Right. Yeah.
is that valid,
And it filled in the 4 hour all the way to the bottom, like filled in the entirety of the gap. And I mean, I don't know. It's weird because okay, 15-minute wise, like we're slightly V shaping perfectly off CE of that gap, the 4 hour.
Mm-hmm. But,
I feel like mechanically, it's like valid to look to long based on the higher time frame, and then like discretion wise, we'll have to wait and see if shorts are valid. But I think the only target short are those pre-market lows, and those like on the 15 look to be protected just the way they printed.
like, the one that we just, like this low that we just put in?
No, the one all the way to the bottom, like the 8 a.m.
Okay.
candle that
Okay.
tap CE.
Okay, yeah.
Like we tapped and then like came up, closed it bullish, kind of like a doji in a sense.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're like kind of holding this V shape slightly. So I feel like mechanically and like based on the higher time frame, it makes sense to look at this as a retrace to go higher. But like discretion wise, like if we come up here and then we obviously keep projecting and get super weak, then we can start like framing idea to short. I feel like.
That's valid. We just put an SMT at the top. If we were going to be
Mhm.
bullish, I don't know if we'd see that.
Yeah, that's fair as well.
See
Yes,
some
it definitely like stronger
yeah.
pre-market here. The other thing too is like the actual like higher time frame draws are super far in comparison to like what we have higher.
That's true too. I mean, we're nowhere near any draws.
Right. So like London's only 140 points, but our the nearest draw I have on the highest time frame is 300 points. So it's like,
Jeez, wow.
do we go up 0.5% or go down another like 1 point somewhere?
So is every 1,000 points a percent? No, right?
I mean it's relative to like share price, I guess. So
Okay, yeah.
it would just depend on share price. I guess in this case it'd be like what? Let me see what exactly 1%. 948. So roughly 1,000. Yeah.
Okay, wow.
Yeah. 948 makes a percent. So yeah, going down to like the draw I have at 435, 23, 435 would be a 1.2% drop. And like we're already down 2% on the session.
Okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, yeah. D. So I don't know if you're watching my screen right here, but you see how on ES we took out the swing high right here. So there's this SMT obviously put in place, right? Just for this scenario, like right here, I'm looking for us not to then take any longs. So like if I wanted to see longs, I would probably want it to see us, close this gap right here, this premium gap, close above it, and then continue higher. But we put this SMT in here, and I just want to see us come back into the range now. There's no like opportunity for longs there. That's just all it's saying.
Yeah, we're definitely like looking like we're rejecting hard. Like every time we pump up into this area.
It just fails to have any sort of continuation or follow through.
Mm.
Dude, I've actually gotten all my boys on peptides, dude.
True.
All my boys are on peptides now. It's actually crazy.
It's a cult now.
Bro, it really is. I started a movement, dude. Fuck selling weed, bro. Start selling peptides.
I mean, bro, to be honest, yeah, probably really could do that.
The margins are way better too, bro.
It's probably a way to get around it legally.
Well, that's the thing. It's so new. There's no laws around it.
Oh, well then, yeah, there you go.
You know, I mean, same thing with, yo, this is some sauce. I don't know if you guys are really paying attention, but listen up. In DMP, you
Oh,
can
yeah.
definitely do this as well. We
Mm.
open another LLC, right? But this
Mhm.
LLC is gonna be for straight, like posting on social media and stuff. So every time you go to a restaurant, you take a video of you documenting you driving to the restaurant, you know, ordering the food, whatever, all this shit, right? You
Mm.
keep documenting it every single time. At the end of the year, that business that you created, that LLC, all those food, because you documented it all, is all tax write-offs. So it doesn't matter if you're making money off of, you know, you posting, it's still considered a
Mm.
business write-off. So if you're making money trading, it all funnels down into the same LLC, or into the same, you know, modified annual gross income. You
Mm.
lower down the, you know, amount of money that you're making overall with the food expenses. Even though you're not making any money from that business, it's still an expense. And the thing with
Yeah, it is
social,
actually the loophole. Yeah.
how smart is that? The thing is, with social media, it's so new. There's no, you know, laws or, you know, strict guidelines for that
Like you
saying
have
that
to
you
meet
can't.
like a certain amount of views or likes or something for it to
Exactly.
validate. Like you just
Or
have to post.
exactly. And there's no saying like you have to make money for it to be considered a write off. So there's,
Right.
you know, there's businesses that fail every single year, but, you know, other businesses will carry it, you know. And that's exactly what my plan is. Like, I'm going to open another LLC and just document me going from, you know, Long Island to New York City, trying new food spots. And then hopefully I, you know, get some views, get some traction from it. But if not, it's still just a tax write off at the end of the year.
I mean, yeah, that's valid to be honest. I mean, anything like, yeah, you can literally turn anything into a tax write if it's all like documented on video.
Well, that's the beauty. Literally, that right there. Everything can be a
Hmm.
tax write off.
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, these YouTubers, bro, everything that they put in their videos are tax write offs.
No, literally everything.
Mm-hmm.
Like anything, even a trip. Like as long as they document the trip, it's all right. All right, this 15 might be picking a direction, perhaps. Does look kind of interesting. I just hate we have that hourly gap, so we're gonna have to like displace through that to like frame long properly.
So, like, yeah, actually take a long, yeah.
Hmm. That and this 15, this bigger 15 above. I mean, this is a pretty strong move out of the lower 15 here. Aligns with like the lower time frame fibs and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Equilibrium. Got a minute and a half to market open.
Yeah, I don't know if you've seen. Do you know the girl, Not Secret Flow on Instagram?
Nah, I don't think.
She's a chick. She posts all of her dad's car content. She like her dad's got like Bugattis, SVJs, fucking.
I think I might have seen it, but I don't know her by name probably.
Dude, I was texting my cousin. He's big into cars. His dad's got a 720S,
Mhm.
and like they're big into the car scene. They're over in Yonkers in New York, bro. He's like really good friends with this girl. I was like, holy shit, there's no way, dude.
That's insane.
This kid was sending me pictures of him at the girl's house. Like, dude,
Nah, that's crazy.
the cars that this guy has, bro.
I feel like I've
Ridiculous.
seen it. He has like like straight hypercars.
Literally just straight hypercars. Literally.
Yeah, I feel like I've seen videos like definitely on like TikTok at some point. I feel like.
Send me a picture of a 1 of 63 SVJ and then a Bugatti Chiron. Just post it up in the garage.
Jeez, like that is insane as fuck.
All right.
And this pump is insane too.
Yeah, 20 seconds. Here we go. This is almost similar to kind of yesterday where actually no, not really. But like consolidation and just expansion, you know,
Yeah, a little bit. Right?
continuation. All right.
I low key want to see like we have midnight open. I kind of want us to get up there. All right.
Well, there it is.
Jesus, not even a chance.
Nope.
Yo,
And watch, that's the move for the day.
nah, we can't be serious. We have like a small SMT up here, but not like at the actual highs. I don't think. Nah. Fuck, bro. It's gonna just rip through that midnight open that I wanted. But London is still, if we're gonna actually just remain strong at this point. We're above that hourly right now too. Dude, that candle like literally just spawned.
Yep. Shit's
We got a bunch of internal SMTs at the bottom.
at the bottom.
I like just a couple on the one minute. This thing is gonna fly.
It is. It's not even going to give us an opportunity. Tap the 30-second there. I'm not taking it off that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait for a retrace if we ever get one. Fuck.
Jeez, man.
Like what the That's insane. Okay, we opened up this 930 gap.
Measuring from top to bottom, this is 0.705. We tapped like the top tick of 0.705.
Got you. For bearish, right?
Mm-hmm. For bearish. Just to keep that in mind.
But see, we edged midnight. ES tapped it perfectly and wicked it. So we do have SMTs at these range highs.
Okay. This looks... I would need to see a 2 or 3 minute.
Yeah, the rejection from the top's pretty strong.
0.705 literally to the tech. Like 1 tick of drawdown.
We also tapped one of these volume node areas I had marked.
Where's Adrian when we need him, bro?
I like almost don't like that we like edge that midnight like that. I mean, it's not really like a proper like draw, so we don't necessarily have to go for it. But we also have London that's not too far from here at this point,
Where's London? Oh, yeah.
even for ES.
It's like less than 100 points, right?
Yeah.
do have SMT. Took out New York AIM low on ES.
Gotcha. Kind of holding like a 30-second here. Watching that like 9:30 gap that we tapped.
I was watching this 30-second for flip, but
Yeah, it looks kind of slow.
yeah, I don't like this.
Okay.
Tapped a 2 minute and a 3 minute here.
5 minutes as well.
Good shot. Yep, 5 minute.
Interesting.
So I gotta wait for the 5 minutes to close if I want to take these shorts.
Yeah, it's valid, honestly. If we take the small like range low to the top, we tap EQ there in that 5.
Okay.
Damn, we still have 4 minutes till it closes. That's fucked up.
Yeah. 3 minute. Let's see. Wow. Is this 3 minute gonna close? No. Okay. Oh, nope. It closed. Holy shit.
Oh,
I'm not taking it, but goddamn, that 5 minutes still needs to close for me.
that close was pretty insane on that 3 with that wick at the top,
That
SMT and everything. Fuck.
Yeah, I agree, but I just, dude, I know that if I take this, the 5 minutes gonna hold.
That's 100% valid.
I'm personally fading this.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait on it. I'll see if we get a continuation to those 8 a.m. lows at 666.
Yeah.
Or if that 5 minute closes like not too far down, maybe.
Literally could have fucking top ticked. That's actually insane.
Nah, that's crazy.
Three minutes.
Interesting.
Sometimes we have opportunity to achieve focus.
We opened up, or is that first presented? Yeah, first presented just above us here.
Where we just tapped?
Yeah.
Okay. Over $777 billion wiped out from the U.S. stock market at open.
Telling you, bro, they're using the market as liquidity for whatever they're doing because they can't print. They can't just keep printing money. It has to be.
I mean, dude, you're right.
Especially when the market's this volatile, you can just do it and like no one's gonna like bat an eye because it's just normal for NQ to move 2% on a given day. Like, it would make sense.
Right. I mean, dude, even just like I'm only saying this and like I'm only pissed because it's not me, because if I was in this position I would be doing it. But like the whole fucking them using the futures contracts instead of like actually stocks like is so smart, dude. Like
Honestly, yeah.
I wish I was in that position to do that. Like there's nothing that they can do.
The market's like, I mean, it's a casino and they're like they're the house, so they can manipulate it as needed. You know what I mean? First presented, looks like it's kind of holding. 5 minutes, a minute left.
That is a pretty strong flip down from the first presented.
I'm gonna take a jab at it. That's what my stop at the high side of it. Target pre-market lows.
That's valid. I think that was a good that's a good entry right there.
And I'll go break even at what is this? Like 685-ish.
SMT here, so
Yeah, I'll just hold through for it. range isn't even as big as it seemed. Oh, don't bounce off the break-even area. 685 is where I'm going to be. It's like this very small internal low on the 1 minute.
But
Kind of the only area that makes sense, low key. Pretty much that 5 minute wick fill from pre-market. Yeah. Break even there. Come on, NQ.
flush it.
Fall. Close to it. Come on, NQ, wick us down. For the one time. Sucks that we opened up those gaps right above my break even.
Yeah. I don't want to see a stall. Come on. Just flush it.
Just once, NQ. It's about to break even. Yeah, there it is.
Jeez. What the f?
It actually slipped me too for $90. It's awesome.
So fucked.
Okay.
What the fuck?
A 5 minute inverse there, telling of a CISD as well. So we shot up, we inversed that gap.
Just to fuck.
Now it looks like we might go back below.
Yeah, just to come all the way back down. I
That
don't
ass.
like any of this so far.
Yeah, it looks a bit wonky. 5 minute closed, retested like that CISD and that inverse. Or actually didn't tap the inverse there. But 5 minute close that entire leg. Any inverse in that leg actually. I would assume we're gonna go for pre-market lows, but I don't know if I'm gonna get like a re-entry for it.
I might try this 30-second, but
Let's see.
no, I didn't even get it there.
Those closes aren't terrible. We also don't have any news today. We had like 8:30 unemployment claims. They changed it to orange folder now.
Unemployment claims?
Hmm.
Really?
And I mean, it definitely didn't do anything at all. Didn't really even print crazy candle whatsoever.
I'm surprised.
Yeah. I mean, I guess it makes sense. All the news has been relatively weak, like with everything going on, I feel like.
No, it definitely has been, but I'm surprised they changed it to orange folder.
Yeah, that's what they do with like the new home sales and everything too. Well, thank God I didn't try to short that displacement because that's fucked up.
Let's see if we get anything here.
We're in this bearish 5 minute now.
Let's see.
Just swept the highs in that first presented there.
I want to see if we get some bearish, like a bearish IFEG here.
Yeah, it's valid, honestly. Still have those SMTs at the top, so could hold as a retrace. Just tap golden pocket there. 618. Holy, what the fuck?
Well,
Jesus Christ, what the fuck? Yes, looks like it's about to take out the hive day here.
yeah.
This one, I'm not sure what market wants to do.
I don't even know.
Kind of just whipped back and forth, low key. That trade really slipped me for $90 because of that random ass candle. That's so whack.
It's so foul, bro.
That ass. We have another SMT with the S at like this internal high.
Yep.
Sitting above that 5 minute for now. Could ultimately still flip back down and hold it. 15 minute, just wick filling that candle that tapped gap initially.
Let's see. Do we tap CE of that gap, of that wick? Oh, we tap CE of the wick perfectly.
Yeah, we did. Jeez. That could potentially do it. We'll just have to see like actual confirmation from price.
Mm-hmm.
But we are getting like slow at that CE though. See if we continue to stall it. NQ might hold that wick, and then ES might make the SMT. To be honest, the way it looks,
Oh, okay, that could be nice.
because ES keeps spiking like higher and higher, but then NQ kind of just stays around here. You can see that we did just make a smaller SMT at the most recent high.
Mm-hmm. We did.
Watch that just send us.
Probably. Come on, NQ. Give us something, bro.
That's what I'm saying. It's like you like 20 minutes in, and it's like the market's just done already.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like seriously, we're only 20 minutes in. Alright, let's see if we make this SMT here. Alright, SMT.
You guys took out that time.
Let's see if we can.
Okay. The fuck? Jeez.
Well,
Here's our answer.
there's like 0.79 of the wick, but
Yeah, yes, it's strong as shit.
yeah. I don't even know if I want to take shorts here. Like, this is just.
Yeah, it doesn't look that great for shorts right now. Still have like midnight open. I mean, there's still London as a draw. Yes, it's getting closer and closer to it.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez.
I don't know. This is just garbage right now. I don't want to touch this.
Yeah, nah. Not yet. I want to see. I mean, we'd have to like break high of day and continue running towards London, ideally. Holy.
Well,
All right, there's our answer, I guess.
I mean,
Damn, I didn't even see that 5 minute did inverse too.
yep, I just peeped that too.
Wow.
Tapped it perfectly too.
Literally. Yes, it's coming up on London here.
Mm-hmm.
But it's gonna run it out. Yeah, it's just in London there. SMT.
SMT. This 1 hour, I mean, I don't know, like, I really don't know. You think that this could be the start? Well, actually, we didn't even tap the daily, right? Oh, no, we did tap the daily.
Yeah, we did. We're just starting to buy up, or like the bullish daily, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We're starting to buy up out of that. And the hourly is starting to correlate, it looks like.
Yeah. If we get the CISD here, we're tapping into an unmitigated 4 hour too. I don't know. This is just a weird place and price.
Yeah, it is. I wanted to try the continuation, like off that light retrace on the 1 minute, but I didn't like it just didn't look like proper. I don't know, it just looked really weird. And then now there's not going to be any like long opportunity to London, and there's no draws higher for a while. Other than like a 4 hour gap at what is that, like 967?
Yeah.
Maybe at the next technical draw. But I mean, we have pretty strong SMT at that London high, to be honest.
That is a pretty significant SMT.
Yeah, because Enki's still like 40-something points away.
Did anyone take anything? I don't. If you took anything, let me know.
Yeah, just the slip I got on break even.
Took 946 gap tap. Let's see.
Yeah, I peeped that.
Oh, that's nice. That was a nice trade. The initial
And then that
shorts.
close, the 950 close out of it is the close that closed the 5 minute as well.
Mm-hmm. That was a beautiful trade, Hyman. Good shit.
Yeah, that's clean.
Initial shorts. Would you take Dan the 3 minute down? Shorts from 0.705. Oh wow. Oh, so you caught the top tick. Good shit, bro. Good shit, Dan.
Clean.
The 3 minute rejection block. Oh yeah, wow.
At the bottom.
Oh, at the bottom.
Or no, never mind.
Yeah, left the lows. Yeah, no problem, Dan.
Those random volume candles are insane.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes London potentially.
Awesome. Fucking love when this happens. Well,
Well, there are the draws for the day. I wanted to see midnight in London, but I just couldn't get an entry.
we got what, minute and a half until this 1 hour candle closes. Let's see if we get the CISD here.
I should have taken this entry. I don't know why I faded it. Would have been a nice 1 hour.
No, Hyman, you're so right, bro, because like in hindsight, yes, this looks super clean, but like I don't know, in the moment, it's hard to read that. And like even this 1 minute, like this 1 minute, I was gonna jab it, but then as soon as like the candle closed, we instantly dropped down, and I didn't take it. This candle closed, a 945 candle above this inverse again was good. It was only this one, the 3 minute, and then the 5 minute.
Yeah, the close back above that inverse was clean.
Yeah, PA's been
I
so
just,
shit, Hyman. Yeah.
it's just like I did not expect this to just edge that pre-market low and then come up. But yeah, nah, we didn't even SMT that low. I mean, we SMT to like internal lows.
Yep. I mean, damn. Is this 4 hour gonna close too? We got, yeah, cause this inverse, it might happen actually. Oh,
Yeah, no, that candle's insane.
we got 10 seconds. Alright, so we made the CISD there. out of the daily.
Yeah, no, that might be. This might be. Dude, ES is like crazy. ES inverse this. Or wait, let me see. Yeah, ES inverse the 4 hour that we just came into, or that we're inside of.
Wow.
Sheesh.
Oh yeah, it did. I don't know. I personally don't want to be trading through this 4 hour though, unless we get some retrace and then can, target like a market maker buy model.
Yeah, that's fair.
I've been wearing my watch like every day, bro. I don't know what's.
That's how it's meant to be.
I don't know what recently I like. Why I recently started doing it, but now I've been like, damn. It's honestly nice just wearing the watch like.
Like casually.
Yeah. Not even
Yeah.
like out just to wear it, I don't
Yeah,
even
it's
fucking.
valid.
I don't even tell time. Like I don't even look at for time. I look at my phone, but. Yeah, this is garbage right now.
Yeah, we just ran through like all the draws I wanted to see. I just faded the longs.
Tap the 1 hour there.
Starting to slow down up here, looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really have any like draw higher. Like it would have to be that next 4 hour at 966.
I literally just sitting here.
And
This
then
is
like lower, it's just like we have these 5 minute gaps.
yeah.
Like this huge leg up.
The only thing I want to see right now is probably just tap a 5 minute and then make like a bullish leg, the next bullish leg up. But I don't know if I want to sit here through all that price action.
Yeah, I don't know how much more we'll expand. Getting it kind of rounded off. You have a 5 minute below at 836. I feel like this leg would retrace before it just keeps expanding if it were to expand.
I completely agree. Yeah, I want to see this
Yeah.
retrace and then make the next leg up.
Yeah.
Use this as like the 10 a.m. manipulation lower into the 5 minute.
Honestly, that would be solid.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
Bet. Yeah, we're pretty slow up here now after that expansion. How far do we move? We moved up. Jesus, 243 points. What the yeah, it's actually insane. Holy. Well, no 5-minute retrace, I guess. That's insane. Yeah, honestly, I mean, I'm not looking for anything up here at this point. I feel like I should have caught longs from the middle of the range here, but this would be like top blasting to try and play any longs with like no clear target. So I'll just have to take the break even. Only target higher here I would target would be the next 4 hour gap above us, but there's an S&T there as well with ES on the way up as ES is stronger. And the 5-minute here tapped a very small 5-minute gap. Starting to like grind its way towards that next 4 hour, but I'm personally not going to take anything here.
Alright, I'm back.
But
We
didn't really miss much.
yeah, I didn't really miss much. See, my dad's other house, he's just putting up for sale. He just bought a fence for it. so we're just moving the fence inside.
Oh, okay. And I'm probably not gonna take anything else besides that break even, which was really like $100 loss because of the slip,
Yeah, no, that's fucked. I'm not gonna lie.
which makes no sense. That candle wasn't that insane. Like,
No, it really wasn't. But yeah, honestly, I'm not gonna take anything either. This shit looks garbage.
yeah, I mean, we expanded up now over 200, like I think 50 points now.
Yeah.
But I mean, there's also like no clear targets anymore after London.
Dude, holy shit, Intel. It's over $50.
Jesus Christ,
Holy shit.
it's actually insane. Shit, just stair step retracing and pumping. That's crazy.
Yeah, honestly, fuck this, bro. I'm ready to call it.
Yeah, nah, we got off of this.
Alright, fellas. Unfortunately, this week's been really bad, but nothing we can do,
Yeah, tomorrow's bank holiday as well.
Yeah, might be off tomorrow, honestly.
Yeah, most likely. I think so.
Sorry, fellas, but, we gotta roll with the punches. We will, maybe see you guys tomorrow. I don't even know. Well, I'll check in at like 9 a.m. though in the like where I usually say if we're live or stuff. But
Yeah, I'm gonna see like, exactly like what they said about the market being closed or not.
okay.
But yeah. Catch you boys in the morning,
Yes, sir.
perhaps.
Catch you, fellas. Peace out.
Later.